In this video, I will show you how to install an extension in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and if you come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to bring up this menu, and what you want to do on this menu is come down and hover over extensions. What that's going to do is bring up a submenu like this, and from here you want to click onto visit Chrome Web Store. So this is where you can actually come to install extensions which are going to help out with certain websites and things like that. From here you can either use the search box at the top if there's a particular extension that you're searching for, or what you can do is come and browse through the Chrome Web Store and all the different extensions available. As you can see, there's some different categories, so you can just go through and choose which one you want. So once you've found an extension that you want to use, what you want to do is give it a click to be taken to the extension page, and on here you can find out some more information about the extension. If you're happy to install, all you need to do is going to be a blue add to Chrome button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is bring up a pop-up confirmation like this. Go ahead and click onto add extension, and that's going to start installing this extension on Google Chrome. And once that's done, generally a pop-up's going to come up like this saying it's been added to Chrome, and sometimes you'll be taken to a page like this, like a thank you page for installing the extension. To manage the extension, all you need to do is come up to the top, and next to the address bar you've got this kind of like jigsaw puzzle piece looking icon. So if you actually give that a click, it's going to bring up your extensions list. From here, just come and click on to manage extensions, and this way you can come to turn on and off different extensions using the switch, and also find out details about extensions as well as the option to remove extensions if you no longer use them. So that is how to install extension in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.